Are you an outlet filer who needs to file a sales tax return? This video will show you how to file using Webfile. From your home page, select the blue Webfile button. Be aware that the Webfile's e-system times out after 1 hour of inactivity. And remember, you can pause this video at any time. In order to access your account, log in using your user ID and password. If you do not have a Webfile account, check out our How to Create a Webfile Profile video to create an account. Note, this is an example for a user who has already assigned a taxpayer to their account. For information on assigning a tax, please watch our How to Add Tax Account Taxpayer Association video. In the My Taxpayer Accounts section, select the taxpayer card with your taxpayer information. If your account is not listed, click the blue Assign Taxes Fees button to add it into your account profile. For information on assigning a tax, please visit our How to Add Tax Account Associations video. Let's get started filing your sales and use tax return. Select the button next to File Original Return and press Continue. Now, select the period for which you are filing. If you are set up to file monthly, you will see a period ending in year and monthly format. For example, the numbers 2002 represent February 2020. If you're set up to file quarterly, you'll see the period in year quarter format. For example, 201 represents the first quarter of 2020. Selecting this period means you're filing for January through March of 2020. If you're set up to file yearly, you will see the period as the year format. Select the period and press Continue. After reviewing the disclaimer, select Continue. On the Credits Taken page, answer the questions about the credits taken and licensed custom brokers export sales. You must answer both questions before continuing. These questions are for informational purposes only and do not affect the calculation of your return. If you're selecting yes, you will no longer be able to follow along with this training video. If you need assistance with credits taken, please email us at webfile.help@cpa.texas.gov or call 1-800-442-3453. Select No to continue. If you're not a licensed customs broker, answer no. If answering yes to this question, enter the amount refunded for this return for items exported outside the United States from all Texas licensed custom broker certificates. Answer no to continue. If you have no sales tax to report, click this box and select Continue. Now let's complete the total sales, taxable sales, and taxable purchase section. Enter the amounts in this section in whole dollars only. For example, $100.96 would be entered as $101. The first field you must complete is the total sales. Enter the total amount, not including tax, of all sales, services, leases, and rentals of tangible personal property, including all related charges made during the reporting period. The second field you must complete is taxable sales. Enter the total amount, not including tax, of all taxable services and taxable sales, leases and rentals of tangible personal property, including all taxable related charges made during the reporting period. The third field you must complete is taxable purchases. Enter your total amount of all taxable purchases. Taxable purchases are taxable items purchased, leased, or rented for personal or business use on which sales or use tax was not paid. This includes items purchased from Texas or out-of-state sellers, items taken out of inventory for use, items given away, and items purchased for an exempt use but used in a taxable manner. Taxable purchases do not include inventory items being held exclusively for retail. After you completed the total sales, taxable sales, and taxable purchase section, click Continue. At the Sales Tax Review page, you can review your data before submitting it. If you need to make changes, select Edit Credits Taken or Credit Location. When you're done reviewing your data, select Continue. This is only a review page. Your return has not been submitted yet. You will be prompted to make a payment, or you can file a report with no payment. If you file or pay by the due date, you'll get a timely filing discount, and Webfile calculates this timely filing discount for you. You'll see the confirmation page once you've submitted your return or payment. You don't need to send a paper return, but it is very important to print and save this page for your records. Once you have filed electronically, you'll start receiving email reminders. This concludes how to file an outlet file report. If you need further assistance, please email us at webfile.help@cpa.texas.gov or call 1-800-442-3453.